Hey, what's up everybody? Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. I got my little buddy here, Seth. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. So he's hanging out with me in the office. A little cold today. He was playing outside and, get a little runny nose action, whatever. So I want to talk about this real quick, guys. I've had a bunch of people reach out to me, and I've had other people in the past come down to visit for a day, just look over equipment or go do estimates, go do some production or whatever. Yeah, you being silly up there? Yeah. So if you want to make that trip, by all means, I'm ready, willing, and able to teach anybody whatever I know or whatever you want to learn. No cost. Just give me a heads up. We'll get you taken care of down here. Plenty of hotels in town, or depending on what's going on, might just have you crash on the couch if you're okay with dogs. So get up with me, messenger, whatever. Really, the only payment is going to be bringing at least a case of different beer with you. We'll most likely dump truck and digger outside, or you see your toys outside. But bring some good beer with you. That'll be payment, and we'll probably end up drinking them together anyways. I don't like light beers, no IPAs. Hi, this little guy. Hey, what's your shirt say? What's your shirt say? Does it say awesome?
Awesome.
And what's Daddy's shirt say? What's that say?
Power.
Power, clean.
Yeah,
clean.
Clean power.
Clean power wash.
Clean power wash.
Yeah, that's about as close as we're gonna get. So you'll get to hang out with me, see this little dude, and the rest of the family. But again, if you want to make that trip, I am more than willing to help anybody learn. So yeah. All right, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Can you say wash on?
Wash on.
Can you say see you later?
See you later.
I think that's good.